Hello, I will be doing a demo on how to work on a shipping plan, choosing small parcel delivery or the LTL option, and doing a bulk upload. So the first thing we want to do is click on the option menu on the top left-hand side of the screen, and then we click on inventory, hover over inventory, and click on shipments. It's going to take us to this screen. And then we hover over shipments and click on send to Amazon. After the screen loads, we are going to, under the SKU selection method, we're going to choose a file upload. We click there, and then we're going to generate and download the template. If we need to input expiration dates, then we leave that checked. If not, we can just uncheck that. After we click there, it's going to bring up this file, which I already have completed for this example. It's going to have different sheets, and you're going to have one that has the instructions, data definitions, and a workflow example of how to fill out the information. This one is already filled out, and I included the SKU name, the total quantity we're going to send, the prep owner and labeling owner, which is optional, so you can leave that blank, and then the units per box in case dims and weights. After we have all that, we save the file as an Excel workbook. And then we go to this section where it says upload completed file. We make sure we select that file. It's going to tell you file uploaded and processed. And it's already going to have the case packing instructions, etc. Then we click on confirm and continue, which is going to take us to the step 2 of this whole process. Here we choose the estimated pickup date if we are using LTL, or the estimated ship date if we are using a small parcel delivery. I'm going to choose the 30th. Small parcel is the method chosen, and confirm charges and accept charges and confirm. Then it's going to take us to the print box labels option. Here we need to make sure we choose thermal printing, and it's going to take a moment. After we choose thermal printing, we click on print, and it's going to generate a PDF which you can download for later use. And we're going to go now to the LTL option. And we are back, and now we have the LTL option on step 2. One other thing I wanted to mention is that on step 1, we need to make sure that the ship from address is correct. So always make sure that's correct, and the marketplace destination. Going back to step 2, LTL, estimated pickup date, I chose the 30th of January. And then we confirm shipping destinations, that we're okay shipping that there. This, of course, is for the Amazon partner carrier. This is going to take us to the print box labels option, which I'm not going to click on print again because I already demonstrated that to you. So we click on continue to carrier and pallet information. Here we need to add a contact information. So make sure you add that person name, phone number, and email, freight ready date, and then it's going to enable you to add the dimensions of the pallet. We click on confirm. Then it's going to enable this little box here, confirm carrier and pallet information. After we click there, it's going to take us to the print pallet labels. And it's basically the same as printing the box labels. You choose whatever format works best for you. I would recommend thermal printing, and then you click on print pallet labels. And that's it. You've completed the LTL shipment.